We're gonna analyze emails today. Yesterday, I learned a good framework to writing emails. Writing emails. That is DI. Okay, this is the framework DICU, which stands for Disrupt, Intrigue, Click, and Urgency. If you want to know more, there's a crash course. There's a Cal Milligan crash course in this YouTube channel. Well, you can see that and take notes from that video and start analyzing your own emails. Let's start. The US is turning red. I'm not gonna analyze the subject line right now. Hi there. This map shows a disturbing global trend you need to know about. Click here to see when the US will turn red. As you can see, right now the US is still yellow, but thanks to a sinister move Biden just made, the US could soon turn red. And if that happens, everything you own could be made worthless, or even confiscated. Click here now to learn how to protect yourself before the US turns red. Best. PS. Inside this new critical video, you'll learn about 4 unique ways you can protect your wealth and savings, even if the US follows this disturbing new trend. You need these 4 tips in your arsenal. Click here to learn about them now. Disrupt. I learned that the disrupt part in the email should make the reader ask, what is it? What is that? Like, the disrupt has to make the reader lean in, so it has to flag him and be of interest for him. So this is the first time I'm active reading an email, so let me see, read better and take notes. Okay. This is the first part. This is the disrupt. It's from here to here. This map shows a disturbing global trend you need to know about. Click here to see when the US will turn red. This is a pattern interrupt. Pattern interrupt. And click here to see when the US will turn red. This also works as intrigue. So this is the disrupt part, the first part of the email. And the disrupt part should make the reader lean in and ask, what's that? Right? So it has to be relevant to the reader. You're not gonna, oh, my hair's on fire. No, That's not a good disrupt. um, how does it? I noticed that this also builds intrigue. Here, so the disrupt makes the reader lean in and ask what's that? So it includes a small portion of intrigue, at least on this email. A disturbing global trend you need to know about. That's intriguing, right? And I should make a note. It's a good idea. This map shows a disturbing global trend you need to know about. Let's see part 2 and 3. As you can see, right now, the US is still yellow. But thanks to a sinister move Biden just made, the US could soon turn red. And if that happens, everything you own could be made worthless or even confiscated. Click here now to learn how to protect yourself before the US turns red. Then the next, again, is the intrigue part. As you can see, right now the US is still yellow, but thanks to a sinister move Biden just made, and we also make a note here, specific. And urgent, kind of urgent. Why? He just made. That's urgent. Thanks to this move, the US could soon turn red. So soon, that's urgent again. Soon implies urgent. Turn red is kind of urgent because it's a disturbing global trend, so it's urgent, and intriguing because the reader might ask, "What's happening? What happens? Happens when it turns red?" And this is something I've noticed too. If you use or plus plus in meditation. So in regards to the this note, this map shows a disturbing global trend you need to know about, and then shows a map. My question for that would be, how can I use to get and why? That's a good way of putting it into a question. How can I use an image to get, guide, and keep attention while building intrigue and maybe urgency at the same time? Disturbing, disturbing. That's urgent, urgent. need to know about. That's intrigue plus meditation. Okay. Thanks to a sinister move Biden just made, the US could soon turn red. And if that happens, that's a payoff. Like just one short line that doesn't say anything. Everything you own could be made worthless or even confiscated. This is agitating and urgent, but let's skip the urgent concept. Click here now to learn how to protect yourself before the US turns red. So, this is like a promise. He, the writer is promising you that if you click here, you're gonna learn how to protect yourself. And all of what we read before were just risk, risk, risk. And all of here is urgent, intriguing, and agitation. And at the end, click here now to learn how to protect yourself before the US turns red. So what we do, or what the writer is doing here, is doing risk aversion. Reversal. Click here to you. And here's urgency. Best. This is the PS. It's like here he does more kind of a benefit. So after agitating our prospect, what this email's doing is 4 unique ways. This is specific, unique, you easy. Can protect your wealth and savings. So save. Here's happening a lot of things. I'm gonna take notes about them. Here's happening a lot of things in this PS. So I'm gonna take notes, mark them. Inside this critical, that's big. big and urgent. Critical. Inside this critical new video, that's new video. You'll learn about 4 unique ways. 4 specific. Unique is new and only. You'll learn about 4 unique ways you can protect your wealth and savings. Unique, new and only. You can protect. Easy, anybody. Protect your wealth, that's safe. Maybe predictable. Even if the US follows this disturbing new trend. Even if. So this is safe and predictable too. Safe. Disturbing new trend is the catalyst, right? This disturbing new trend is our catalyst. Our catalyst. You need these 4 tips in your arsenal. Click here to learn about them now. You need. This is intrigue and urgency. Maybe need. Now, this is another thing I learned yesterday researching or this formula and this. That is, the other uh, concept or fundamental comes down to this: follow a golden thread, just one catalyst, and just intrigue with its implications. I'm gonna write it here. Structures, the structure come up like this. Disrupt is your catalyst. You disrupt, or at least on average, you disrupt with a catalyst. There's a disturbing global trend. That's the catalyst. Something happened. Just happened. And you can add urgency. But I'm not. Yeah. That's the disrupt part. Then there's intrigue, and it has 2 parts. Intrigue 1. Describe, don't explain. That's a concept you gotta understand. We here are describing the event, telling things about it, telling things about it and describing it and whatever. The US still yellow, thanks to a sinister move Biden just made. The US could soon turn red, right? We're describing, but we're not telling in the email what's happening. You don't really know. You just know that there's a map with colors. Yeah, that's it. You're describing, don't explain. Then the trick two is tell the implications. You first describe the catalyst. It's happening this. This is happening. So the disrupt is something just happened. The intrigue one is describe, don't explain. This that happens is this and that, and it was because Biden did this and blah blah blah, or scientifics discovered a thing. Then the intrigue two is tell the implications. This new discovery that scientists made could end, could mean the end of arthritis, right? That those are implications. So you're making intriguing and kind of making the reader hopeful and intriguing, maybe ardent, right? We're evoking many emotions, but you gotta tell the implications. What's in it for the reader? This that happens, what's it gonna cause? How is it gonna influence in my life? Then there's the click, and well, click is a click. Click here to know more. Click here to benefit. So it's a benefit or a risk reversal. Click here now to learn how to protect yourself before the US turns red. That's risk reversal. And you should know that humans are risk averse. They work harder not to lose something than to get something new. Now, how are we gonna practice? Man, doing these videos, man, talking a lot gets me tired fast. But yeah, I think this is it. Then with these notes, what you're gonna do is practice trying to make and follow the same structure and techniques. You can use the questions you just annotated. For example, this: how can I use an image to get guide and keep attention while building intrigue and maybe urgency? So in your practice time when you're going to write, you can try to practice this. You come up with an idea and maybe another product that's maybe keto. You know what? I'm gonna show the example right now. Here we are with our document. This is a question. We're also going to get our example here. This is it. Something I like to do. when starting a practice writing session is to close my eyes and do nothing for 1 minute or two to let ideas flow. That's because when you're closing your eyes, you're not doing anything, and it's like there's a pretty strange state of the brain that's in the topic of neurobiology. But the thing is, you you can make you can enhance your ideas and the flow of your ideas if you do that for a short period of time where you just close your eyes and let ideas come. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pause the video and come back when I get something. Okay, I wanna make a quick um, message advice. When I say I'm gonna come up with an idea, it's not coming up with something from scratch. And most of the time, it means going through my mental library and maybe my digital swipe file and seeing things that resonate with me and I think I can practice on. That's what I mean when I say come up with something. Because copywriting is not about being creative, it's doing what works at first, especially when you don't know how to act, how to write copy. So I just wanted to make that to bring some clarity into that. So yeah, I think I'm going to write something. I'm coming up with some headlines because I have an idea and I'm gonna make an outline of it. Here are some ideas of subject lines I could use. Of course, this is a draft and this is a freestyle. But I think I like this one the most. But these are the subjects. Cure arthritis in 3 steps. 3 signs will tell these. 3 signs will tell you if you can cure from that arthritis. Eccentric millionaire doctor discovered how to eradicate arthritis. And eccentric millionaire doctor discovered the 3 stages of arthritis reversal. Dear me, um, um, mm-mm. Let's see how he starts his disrupt. This map shows. Let's see more, right? I want to see more examples. Hi there. How can I disrupt? Well, I'm gonna pause the video again. I'm not gonna waste your time. Well, I don't think anyone's watching this, but in case someone's watching this, I'm gonna pause the video so you don't waste time me trying to come up with an idea, and I'm just going to pause the video and come back when I'm done. I'm using this disrupt as a guide on how to mine. So this reads like this. Hi there, I'm floored. This ex-CIA insider just went live on camera and exposed further reverse for what really is. Dear reader, I'm shocked at what just happened at the specific place. I'm not gonna come up with it. Just happened. Dear reader, I'm shocked at what just happened. This unheard of genius just went live at this conference at place, California, whatever, and showed something revolutionary. Yeah, yeah, wait. Something revolutionary. I'm shocked at what just happened. For this unheard of. No, I don't like that. Hmm. I think this man's gonna win a Nobel Prize for such an incredible breakthrough. If you watch the video, for the first time ever, he just went on stage and made public. For the first time ever, he presented hmm, for the first time ever, he made public a video that show woohoo, what a genius I am. Again, ending the video accidentally. Third consecutive day. But yeah. For the first time ever, he made it public. A video that shows the 3 stages. Special shows 3 stages in this car. It shows 3 stages of steps. We put an image. The image. The stages he discovered looked like this. This may not mean much to you right now. I predict this, but believe me, I predict this man is gonna win a Nobel Prize for such an incredible breakthrough. And if you watch the video below, chances are you'll agree. And if you watch the video below, chances are you'll agree. Click here to know. The PS. And we're gonna swipe this tile of this PS where he mentions a benefit. Benefit. Inside this critical new video, you'll learn about 4 unique ways you can protect your wealth and savings. Even if the US follows this disturbing new trend, you need these 4 tips in your arsenal. Click here to learn about them now. Okay. So this PS has some things. This PS is Nesby and What's in it for me. Critical new video. New, and that's big, specific, new, only, easy, anybody, safe. Even if you do this is not statement, kinda. And if we follow this structure of this PS, it should go something like this. Uh, this this video, then you learn benefit. Then 4 unique ways you can protect your wealth and savings, even if. So this structure. Inside this new break. Um, and how you can protect your wealth. How you can use the same stage. How you can apply to reverse even if, so this is anybody, even if you 4 unique ways. You learn about 4 unique ways. So that's specific. 3. Let's keep the golden thread. Click here to learn. I think this is it. Told. There's no hope. Then there's the edit part, and yeah. Well, bye. That's it. You can take a final look. This is the subject. I'm shocked. I'm gonna read final. Eccentric millionaire doctor discovered 3 stages of arthritis reversal. Dear reader, I'm shocked at what just happened. This unheard of genius just went live at this conference at Place and showed something revolutionary that can change the world of medicine forever. For the first time ever, he made public a special video that shows the 3 stages of arthritis reversal. The stages he discovered look like this. This may not mean much to you right now, but believe me, I predict this man is gonna win a Nobel Prize for such an incredible breakthrough. And if you watch the video, chances are you'll agree. Click here to learn how to click here now to learn the three stages of arthritis reversal. See you soon, Newman. P.S. Inside this revolutionary presentation, you're gonna learn not only the 3 stages of arthritis reversal, but also how you can apply these same stages to reverse arthritis for yourself. Even if you've been suffering from arthritis for years and they've told you there's no hope, you definitely you definitely um, have to have this knowledge in your arsenal. Click here to learn about these 3 stages now. Yeah.